In this session, let us learn about HTML quotation and citation elements. HTML quotation and citation elements. In this chapter, we will go through the block quote, Q element, ABR element, address element, cite and BDO HTML elements. See the example code and result. See here P. Here is a code for Ponnuri Gopie Krishna's website. See block quote site is equal to https www.ponnurigopikrishna.in. See here, if you write the code like this, the result printed this. HTML block code for quotations. The HTML block quote element defines a section that is quoted from another source. Browsers usually indent block quote elements. See here, browsers usually indent block quote elements. See here, block quote site is equal to leading handwriting expert in India taught good handwriting to more than 4 lakhs people. See here, if you write and execute this code, the result printed this. HTML Q element for short quotations. The HTML Q tag defines a short quotations. The browsers normally inserted quotation marks around the quotation. See here, now we are using here Q element. See, if you write and execute this code, the result printed this. See here, tag is used to more than 1 crore people. Some quotations were added. Some quotes were added here. HTML ABR for abbreviations element. The HTML ABR tag defines an abbreviation or an acronym like HTML, CSS, Mr., Doctor, ASAP, ATM like that. Marking abbreviations can give useful information to browsers, translations, HTML and search engines. Use the global title attributes to show the description for the abbreviations acronym when you mouse over the element. See here, there is an example. See the code and result. See here P ABR title Ponnuri Gopie Krishna PGK ABR, born in Vijayawada. Marking up abbreviations can give useful information to browsers, translation systems and search engines. Few move the mouse cursor on the PGK here. See here, it's resulted Ponnuri Gopie Krishna was displayed. Full name was displayed. Like this, you can write the code and result returns this. HTML address for contact information. The HTML address tag defines the contact information for the author, owner or a document or an article. The contact information can be an email address, URL, physical address, phone number, social media handle, etc. The text in address element usually renders an italic and browsers will always add a line break before and after the address element. See here, if you write and execute this code like this, see here, we are using address tag and element here. See here, written by Ponnuri Gopie Krishna, BR, that is a line break. Is it as line break? Ponnuri Gopie Krishna line break, Vijayawada break. See here, the result returns this. HTML cite for work title. The HTML cite tag defines the title of a creative work. Example, book, a poem, a song, a movie, a painting, a sculpture, etc. A person's name is not the title of a work. The text in the cite element usually renders an italic. See the code and example. See here the code and here example. See here, image source, image fieldproud.jpg with 220, height 227, alt fieldproud. See here, we are using some site here. Fieldproud, site by Ponnuri Gopie Krishna, painted in 2015. See here, if you write and execute this code, the result returns this. HTML BDO for bidirectional override. BDO stands for bidirectional override. The HTML BDO tag is used to override the current text directions. See here example and code. See here BDO. The next line will be written from right to left. See here, totally it was written from right to left. See BDO directory RTL. This line will be written from right to left. HTML quotation and citation for elements. Tag description. ABR tag defines an abbreviation or acronym. Address tag defines content information for the author owner of a document. BDO tag defines the text direction. Block quote tag defines a section that is quoted from another source. Cite tag defines the title of a work. Q tag defines a short inline quotations. Okay friends, this is the end of HTML part 10, HTML quotations. In next video, let us learn about another topic, HTML comments.
If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.